Hello dear Librans, welcome back to my channel, and this is your September month general reading for Sun, Moon and Rising. So if in case any of your sign is Libra, this reading is for you. This is going to be in English, and if you're interested in Hindi and Urdu, that's going to be another video. So let's begin. Let's see how your month is going to be. First week, second week, third week and the fourth week. Okay. Definitely, I see new beginnings happening for you guys in the month of September, guys. Also, I also see your life shooting like a rocket towards the end of September. There are so many cards. Okay, there are two cards, but I'm gonna shuffle once again. First week, second week, third week, and the fourth week. Alright, let's see. Let's clarify more. I know you cannot see the entire spread, but I am going to show it to you as and when we move forward. So your first week has the Nine of Spears and the Emperor. So I do see that in your work life, you could be at a position of, a CEO, a general manager, a head of the team, somebody who is taking care of a lot of people under them, and that's why you have that aura, that authoritative aura. So I see that in your workplace, you are at a position where you have a lot of, juniors working under you. So you have that kind of aura that, you're powerful, you're authoritative, you're making decisions in your life. Also, in your home circle, it could be that you're a father, or you could be the head of the family in your house. If you're not, if you are a woman watching this, it could be that you're running the house, you could be the head of the family. Or I also see that you could be at a emperor like position, the king like position in your home or your work life, or both. It could be any of that things. Also, I see that your father has a lot of influence in your life. It could be that you have been abiding by his, suggestions or decisions so far in your life. It could also mean that some of you could be joining your dad's business. It could also mean that, uh, you look up to your father, you want to become like him. So that could also be the case. In case you are a woman and you're married, it could also be that the father figure in your family could be in the role of a husband, could be in the role of an elder brother as well, somebody who has that authoritative aura, somebody who's also very strict at the same time. But I would like to tell you that they mean well. If there's somebody around you who's telling you to do something, guiding you in some way, understand that they mean well. They're not coming from a bad place. They of course are in that authoritative position. It could be your boss as well. If they're telling you something, please accept the feedback positively. That will help you a lot. Let me clarify more with Nostradamus on the Nine of Spears. To those who are new to my channel, please know that this is a reading directly from the book of Nostradamus. So I am going to refer to the book time and again for more clarification. Yes, so I do see that you have achieved a emperor-like position. So you are very happy with this sort of achievement. You're quite content with your position. You're also very happy and looking at the stars and thanking your stars that thank God I have come to this position. It could be that you guys would be earning bonus around this time, or promoted around this time, or just given a lot of importance in your workplace or your family if you are the head of the family. That is what is happening in the first week. Let's get to the second week. We have the One of Spades and the Five of Suns. I do see that this reading is more related to your career than your personal life. So it clearly seems to me that your focus is more on your work rather than your personal life around this time. I do see that some of you have achieved a lot of success in your life only because of your hard work. Okay, I see that some of you have achieved that success, uh, you know, after a lot of struggles, after a lot of problems. You could have had problems in the past in your work life. Now the position that you are in is very courageous, is heroic. That, oh my God, how did you last that firm? This that was so toxic. Or, oh my God, you've gone through a lot, and oh my God, you lost so many jobs, but still here you are, at that position. It's that kind of a feeling around you. I would like to clarify more with Nostradamus on the One of Spades for you. Let's see what it has to say for Libra. Yes, and the Five of Suns. Yes, like I said, you are successful, you are very happy. This is a very happy card, this is a very successful card. So, both the cards are telling me that you are at a position where you're very satisfied with your life. You are content, you are very happy. Also, I see that because of your success, there could be a lot of people around you who will like to pull you down, or somebody who's jealous of you. So, like a rivalry at your workplace. So there are people who are trying to pull you down, not in your home but in your workplace. There is rivalry. Somebody is striving to get the same position you are at. Somebody is striving really hard to pull you down so that they can get in your position. They also can start getting that kind of money. So beware, because I do see jealous people in your workplace. Okay, jealous of your success, jealous of your position. Maybe they want to step up to your position, so they will try to definitely bring you down. Coming to the third week, we have the Abyss and the Ten of Suns. Let's clarify that. The Abyss and the Ten of Suns for you. Again, you are actually on the very high of your life right now. Maybe you're getting a lot of achievements, awards also, and that is also coming into the eye of the people. When you get a lot of recognition, automatically a lot of people become envious of you also. Also, at the same time, good things happen, that people start noticing you. Maybe a lot of people have started noticing you now. Maybe they were not noticing you earlier because of the position that you've reached, because of the achievements and awards that you're getting around this time. It could be that as well. So please take what resonates with you. I'm getting a lot of messages for you guys. Yes, somebody also sees you as a very mature and perceptive woman, somebody who can handle it all, somebody who's very wise also, somebody who's a good decision maker as well. Somebody who's very quick also, and who can, sort of is a visionary, who can think towards the future, make goals and make appropriate plans, and then eventually take action. So somebody sees you like that. I do see that somebody around you appreciates you for your career success, for the kind of woman you are. If you are a man watching this, Librans, then definitely there's somebody around you who sees you as a very mature person. Or it could be that you are seeing somebody from your workplace as a very mature person, somebody who's very good at decision making skills, somebody who's very who's a visionary, who can think through. So I do see that a lot of appreciation from your work environment is happening for you secretly also. It's not necessary that somebody will come to you and tell you on your face that you are doing a good job or we are proud of you, but they are noticing you, is what I can see. The fourth week has the 10 of spheres and the 1 of suns. Like I said, because of this recognition, it could be that a lot of people are trying to contact you. They want you in their company. They want to work with you. So you could be getting a lot of job offers around this time. Also, I do see that your career is booming like a rocket. So you could be getting bonus, success, achievements, recognition for your work. If you're not getting monetary recognition, then definitely people will be coming to you and telling you. If not that, you're getting awards. If not that, you're getting job offers. So I do see new beginnings for you happening. It could be that you're accepting new job offers by the end of September. It could be that as well. So definitely growth is happening for you. Growth means more money. Growth means better title, better job opportunities are coming your way. So career wise, Libra, your month looks amazing. I did not see any love bit in this. So maybe your focus is on your work right now, on your career. Though I do a mid-month love reading, which is exclusively for love. In case you think that this did not resonate with you, you can check out the mid-month love reading, which will come out sometime next week. Okay. So this was your beautiful reading. Career-wise, it's booming, I would say. So definitely all the good luck to you guys. If you liked it, if you did resonate with you, if you think that yes, this reading was for you, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.